In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Image Carousel. If you want a clean, swipeable way to showcase photos, logos, or screenshots on a website made with Google Sites, an Image Carousel is the simplest tool for the job. We'll move through the process from opening your site to placing the carousel right where you want it, and I'll share a few tips to help your images look their best. Start by opening your site in Google Sites. Once you're in the editor for the site you want to work on, you'll see your pages listed on the left and a design panel on the right. Make sure you're editing the correct site so the carousel ends up in the right place. Next, go to the page where you want the carousel to appear. Navigate through your site's pages and land on the specific page, section, or layout where the images should live. Think about context here. A carousel often works well near the top of a page to highlight key visuals, or within a section that introduces a product, event, or gallery. Now open the Insert options and choose Image Carousel. In the right-hand panel of Google Sites, click Insert, then find and select Image Carousel. This adds a placeholder to configure before it's placed on the page. Click Add Images. You can upload files from your computer or pick existing images from Google Drive. Use the option that matches where your images are stored. For best results, choose clear, high-resolution images with similar orientation and aspect ratio so the carousel doesn't jump in height from slide to slide. Keep file sizes reasonable for faster loading, and give your file names meaningful labels to stay organized. Once your images are added, arrange them in your preferred order. Drag to reorder the thumbnails until the sequence tells the story you want, perhaps starting with a strong hero image, followed by supporting visuals. If two photos feel redundant, remove one before continuing so the carousel stays focused and snappy. When everything looks right, click Insert. The carousel will be placed on your page and you'll see it sitting within your layout, ready to display your images. That's all there is to it. To recap, open your site, go to the page, insert, image carousel, add images, arrange them, and then insert. With a few thoughtful image choices in a clear order, your Google Sites page will gain a polished, interactive visual element in just minutes.